Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about the autism spectrum disorder, and in short way, it's called ASD. This is the short name. Autism spectrum disorder is a disorder that affects development of an individual. Especially its disorder we can observe in children. Young children with ASD have difficulties with communication, language, social skills and behavior. And at same time, if we some symptom we can observe in the young kids as well as the small kids also. Children with ASD may have difficulties in repeated the same sentence in many times. Sometimes they have to touch the same object in many times, and they cannot contact eye to eye. They avoid the eye to eye contact in the ASD. Let's discuss the causes of ASD. Causes of ASD. What is the cause behind the occur ASD? Then main cause, genetic cause. Genetic cause. If parents also suffering from the autism spectrum disorder, then there is maximum chance to same thing appear in the kid. Those newborn baby take birth, so it's automatically transfer the gene with through the pregnant lady to the kid, newborn baby. And in other way also, if environmental factor also here, environmental factor. Environmental factor, it's factor because whenever we can living any kind of environment, it's, poor kind of poor environment also there create these type of situation, and other factor also influence the same thing like drugs, toxin, and there is some causes of pollution also to increase the risk of ASD in children. Brain development. This is also a main factor to increase the ASD in some situation. Those children suffering with the ASD, they can feel difficulty in growth, mental growth in children, and sometimes brain growth at the in the beginning, especially like first 3 years of children, they can grow, but such children have more self requirement, even they feel problem in the communication, and connection between the cells are not proper. यानी जो सेल कनेक्शन है उसका जो कनेक्शन है आपस में वो बहुत प्रॉपर नहीं होता है, और जिसकी वजह से जो मैसेज ट्रांसफ़र नहीं हो पाते हैं प्रॉपर, तो इट्स वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक एंड इट्स क्रिएट हिंड्रेंस इन द brain development. This is the main factor of the ASD, and it is very important to keep the mind that these factors are influence the kid because they create the hindrance in brain development, as well as it's create hindrance in the development in body also, and main cause of the genetic factor that appear to increase the risk of ASD in kid. And more causes also, sometimes those kids suffering from the ASD and teachers and parents, they cannot understand the problem of the kid. Sometimes they feel some problem in writing, as well as they feel hesitation to communicate the problems to the parents, as well as they cannot communicate the problems with the teachers, and they people also not understand. So we must be understand and find the problem, what is going with the problem of kid, and they can we can increase these type of problems sort out in a very easy manner, because these problem not a very small problems. With the increasing the age, these problems also increase, and it's create hindrance and problem and in day-to-day life in those children suffering from. Next problem, oppositional different disorder. In short way, it's called ODD. And this is also a category of the disorder, oppositional different disorder. It is a set or group of behavior disorder. Called in another way, those individuals affected by this disorder, that is the ODD, and usually behave like rebel, and they cannot listen the adults, they can disobey the elders, as well as it's very behavioral problem. They cannot cooperate and adjust with the friends, also they cannot make the friends. Some more problems also we can observe those suffering from ODD. Such children feel loneliness, as well as time to time they challenge the authorities also. ODD. Such children those persons suffering from the ODD, they feel sometimes they feel low self-esteem because they cannot make the friends due to the behavior, that is the wrong behavior or negative behavior. In another way, they have negativity about the authorities as well as the parents, and sometimes they have difficulties to making the friends. That's why they feel anxiety, stress, tension, and they cannot understand the situation, and they cannot make the normal behave and normal cooperation with the other persons, as well as sometimes they can create the problem with the family members also. They also try to blame other individuals for their mistakes. So this is the behavior problem, and it's create swing mood also, and they very indisciplined type of person, they very eager person according to activities as well as the behavior situation. Now let's discuss the causes. Neurotransmitter. And neurotransmitter responsible for the proper functioning of the body activities, whatever type of activities we are performing in day to day. That is, it's completely depend on the brain command, and it's play state balance of in our brain, and sometimes it's imbalance due to the lack of neurotransmitter. यानी अगर न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर का बैलेंस कम है या बैलेंसिंग नहीं है, जो आपकी ब्रेन कमांड है, एंड समटाइम मैसेज आर नॉट कम्युनिकेटेड properly from the brain side, then we can observe the symptom of ODD. Another point also, that is psychological factor. Psychological factors. It's also a same type of point. May children develop ODD and they do not have relationship, good relationship with the parents. They have any kind of negativity about the parents and they cannot listen the parents, and sometime it's development that is related to society also. It's they don't have healthy relationship with the society. They cannot make the friends easily, then they feel some kind of anxiety, stress, tension, and that's why automatically symptom of ODD appear in the children. And last point, that is social factors. Social factors in ODD may due to the indiscipline of the family, and we can say poverty also play a very vital role, and unhealthy environment, and sometime credit goes to the divorce type of situation, and if we don't have any discipline in the family, then there is maximum chance to occur this type of problem like ODD occur in the children, because sometime we are very non-violence and all, then okay, but sometime create the violence problem in the society, family. अगर हमारी environment, society जो हमारे घर के आसपास surrounding है, अगर वो बहुत indiscipline है, uneducated है, और वहाँ पुअर न्यूट्रिशन प्रॉब्लम है, पिवर्टी है, देन तो इसका एक सबसे मेन कोज जाता है, दैट इज द ODD. इट्स क्रिएट ऑटोमेटिकली ODD सिचुएशन इन द चिल्ड्रन. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मेन थिंग ऑफ ODD. ODD क्या होती है, कैसे होती है, तो we can understand this problem automatically in the beginning we have discussed it's a behavior problem, जो हमारे नेचर की बिहेव की हमारी आदत की प्रॉब्लम होती है. एंड इफ दोज आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द ODD, दे आर वेरी अनकोऑपरेटिव टाइप ऑफ पीपल, दे आर रिबल, दे आर इनडिसिप्लिन, एंड दे कैन नॉट कंट्रोल द एंगर ऑल्सो व्हेन दे फील एनी काइंड ऑफ एंजाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस. तो अपने जो इमोशंस हैं, अपना गुस्सा उस पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता ऐसे सिचुएशन में बच्चा, और ऐसे जो होते हैं बहुत अग्रेसिव नेचर के होते हैं. This is the main symptom of ODD. Now let's discuss about next disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder, and in short we call OCD. ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, जिसको हम कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मनोविकार भी कहते हैं. ये जो ऑब्सेसिव मीन्स जुनूनी टाइप ऑफ पीपल. ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर इज ए मेंटल हेल्थ डिसऑर्डर, जो हमारे दिमाग की हेल्थ है उसको इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. दिस डिसऑर्डर इफेक्ट ऑल एज टाइप ऑफ पीपल, एंड एनी एज or any walk of life, it's create the problem in people's. means OCD. So this is the OCD, and in OCD is a type of mental disorder, as we already discussed, and there is a lot of symptom also of OCD, and if people repeat the same task again and again, it's a great symptom of OCD. If sometime we can observe some people repeat the particular word, that is also OCD. Main thing is that what is OCD? OCD is the situation to occur automatically in mind, because it's a cycle of obsessive compulsions. माइंड के अंदर एक ऐसी विकार, एक बीमारी का पैदा हो जाना, दैट इज क्रिएट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डाउट, बिकॉज समटाइम पीपल थिंक कि if I cannot wash my hands, या if I can touch any kind of thing, then I must wash my hands again and again. तो जो people, बहुत बार लोग होते हैं कुछ भी थोड़ा सा टच किया, कुछ भी किया, they and very कैसे शक्की टाइप के, कि मतलब कहीं मुझे कोई बीमारी ना हो जाए, कोई इन्फेक्शन ना हो जाए, and they just washing the hands again and again. That is the psychological problem actually, and it's called OCD. Sometimes we can feel the same situation, but if they try to stop or ignore, अगर वो इस situation को उनको बोला जाए कि भाई ऐसा नहीं करना है, तो sometimes they feel the anxiety and stress in this situation. मतलब अगर उनको रोक लिया जाए, समझाया जाए इस चीज़ के लिए कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना है, तो उनको ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, यानी दे फील कैसा गुस्सा, अगर उनको एंजाइटी होगी, स्ट्रेस होगा, टेंशन होगा, और उनको कहीं ना कहीं एंगर होगा उस सिचुएशन में. तो दिस इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ OCD. एंड द मेन, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द मेन ऑब्सेसिव. Main obsession in people, what type of things? A fear, a fear of harm to yourself or loved ones. Fear also a very strong thing to play, very vital role of OCD. Fear of germs. If they cannot washing the hands, so they people think okay, we can infected from any kind of germs. ए फियर ऑफ बीइंग एम्बेरेस। कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि जहाँ किसी भी चीज़ को अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है, किसी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन में डर लगता है कि कहीं मेरे से कोई गलती नहीं हो जाए, दैट इज़ द एक्चुअली फियर। इफ़ वी परफॉर्म एनीथिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ confidence, then we definitely we can perform out of standing. But here if we feel fear या low confidence, we can say that is the create of OCD, fear of low confidence actually. तो embarrass होने का, या sometime we people think कि I don't know कि I can perform well or not, तो it's a fear of making mistake, यानी जब हम अपने खुद पर शक करने लगते हैं तो उस सिचुएशन में गलती होने की गुंजाइश ज़्यादा होती है। एंड समटाइम फियर ऑफ गेटिंग डर्टी, कि इफ़ आई एम डर्टी एंड आई एम नॉट क्लीन, तो इट्स अगेन टू फियर ऑफ इलनेस, एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, दैट इज़ द फियर। दीज आर द मेन कंपल्सन जो आप उस सिचुएशन में देखते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर सफाई का जुनून होना। main compulsion, मेन कंपल्शन मीन्स बहुत ज़रूरी करना है, क्या? रिपीट दी थिंग्स। मेन पॉइंट ऑफ दोज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दी OCD, repeating things, thoughts, always move things, moving items to keep them in sometimes we can see some people, they are very much eager to about the items, they just arrange the things in a particular way। उनको अपनी जो चीज़ें हैं उनको सिर्फ उसी पर्टिकुलर जगह रखने की एक जो आदत है कि यहाँ से चीज़ यहाँ से वहाँ अलग कैसे दी, दिस इज़ दी मेन कंपल्शन। भी ज़रूरी है कि वो चीज़ वहीं होनी चाहिए। एक्चुअली मेन थिंग इज़ दैट। washing and bathing, several times, बार बार वॉश करना, हैंड्स को वॉश करना, बार बार बाथ लेना, दैट इज़ द सिग्नल ऑफ द OCD। बिकॉज माइंड इस सिचुएशन में माइंड उनको बार बार एक कमांड करता है कि इफ़ यू कैन नॉट वॉश योर हैंड्स देन यू विल बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ डिसीज। तो इस सिचुएशन में क्या होता है कि वो बार बार चीज़ों को रिपीट किया जाता है। Repeating things and words several times, many times, these are the main compulsion। यानी ये OCD की एक निशानी है जिसमें बार बार चीज़ों को रिपीट किया जाता है, एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में रखा जाता है। एंड इफ़ वी कैन नॉट फॉलो ऑल दीज ऑर्डर, तो दोज पीपल सफरिंग फ्रॉम OCD they automatically feel anger, stress and anxiety, because people not listening that particular man, and they feel anxiety and stress. Now let's discuss about causes of OCD. Causes of OCD as such, according to research studies, not seen, but it's completely depend on the brain functioning. It's completely depend on the brain functioning. Serotonin, it's completely depend on the mental functioning, because sometime neurotransmitter send some messages to the particular body part or brain. But in this situation, serotonin is the chemical that is the send the message, but it's send the message to particular part, one part only. एक ही पार्ट को, जो सेरोटोनिन एक केमिकल है, ये क्या करता है, एक पर्टिकुलर, एक दिमाग के एक ही हिस्से को मैसेज भेजता है. बट हाउ? बिकॉज इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ सेरोटोनिन में हेल्प ओसीडी. जो ओसीडी हुई, जो ओसीडी का एक कोज हुआ, एक बीमारी हुई, वो हुई क्यों? क्योंकि सेरोटोनिन जो केमिकल है उसकी इनसफिशिएंट होने की वजह से, उसकी कमी होने की वजह से इट्स डेवलप ओसीडी, जो मेन कोज है इसका, इस बीमारी का. और स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी डिड नॉट सीन, बट इफ इट्स अकर, ओसीडी हो गई है अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ही विल बी फील स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, बिकॉज ड्यू टू दी activities, whatever activities he or she performing in day to day life, like washing the hands again and again, and sometimes they feel, they doubt on the partner, and they sometimes they check the things again, like just like locking the door, कि I have locked the door or not, ताला मारा है ठीक से नहीं मारा है, बार बार चेक करना है ना. तो these are the symptom to showing the signal of OCD, and it's also a genetic cause also, but sometime it's depend on the situation of the family, depression, stress और indiscipline of the family. family में अगर कुछ बहुत ही अनएक्सपेक्टेड सा चल रहा है, तो उस सिचुएशन में कई बार, या sometime we can see in the senior citizen, those are the senior citizen, they also performing the same type of things. तो दिस इज द मेन कॉज. एक एजिंग प्रोसेस में आके भी चीज़ों को भूलने लगते हैं हम, जिस भूलने की वजह से वी कैन रिपीट दी थिंग्स, लाइक चेकिंग द थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन कि आई हैव डन और नॉट प्रॉपर, वॉशिंग द हैंड्स एंड ऑल. दीज आर द मेन सिग्नल एंड मेन कॉज ऑफ द सेरोटोनिन. This is the main cause of OCD, that is insufficient serotonin. Now next topic, that is the disability. Etiquettes. disability etiquettes. Disability etiquettes means in this topic we will understand the disability etiquettes means how we can deal the disabled people. Main thing is that this is very important to understand this meaning. Those people have any kind of disability, so how we will deal, how we will treat them. Main thing is that sometimes people, those people suffering from any kind of hearing problem, and if we can call loud, any loud manner, then because they are not audible, they cannot listen, so they cannot respond. So we must be tapped to the shoulder, we must be touch that particular person, then you have to speak. In another way, suppose we are going to meet any kind of person, those suffering from any visual problem, या visual impairment, आँखों की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, देख नहीं सकता है, कम दिखता है या दिखता ही नहीं है, then we have to just introduce ourselves. आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस जरूर कराइए, देन ही और शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड ना कि कौन आया मुझसे मिलने. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ एटिकेट्स, मैनर्स. एंड इफ यू डायरेक्टली communicate with the blind person and you cannot introduce yourself, then he cannot identify ki who are you actually. Then it is also a part of the disability etiquettes. And sometime any person have any kind of communication problem, then if you can speak on loud manner या high pitch, and if he or she cannot completing the sentence and you will be entrapped in between, that is also a part of indiscipline, and it's a part of lack of etiquettes. So we must be wait for the completing the sentence and then you have to speak something. So these are the parts of disability etiquettes, and we must be understand the problem of those are suffering from any kind of disability. We have to give some equal respect to these type of people. And now next topic. This is the topic advantages of physical activities for children with specific need. Special need, कैसी special need? So those are suffering from any kind of disability. Main thing is that. So how we can give some physical activities advantage? कैसे हम उनको और improve कर सकते हैं उस level को? Because those are the special children. So we have provide some special treatment, special training, and a special focus on that part. Suppose first point of this topic, that is the physical impairment. Physical improvement, how it is possible? Those children suffering from cognitive type of disability, as we know about the cognitive disability, and they automatically perform some different kind of skills, but because cognitive disabilities hindrance in the activities actually. So motor skills in hopping, jumping, catching, throwing, running, we have to give this type of exercise or training to these type of people, these type of students. And one more thing, physical activities also enhancing the coordinative abilities. कहाँ यहाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम आई, कॉग्निटिव डिसेबिलिटी में प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है? बिकॉज दे हैव द प्रॉब्लम इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द स्पीड, दे कैन नॉट मेक द कोऑर्डिनेशन, they cannot perform the particular flexibility level, and they don't have strength according to normal kids. So we have to improve all these activities actually. उनमें improvement करना, उस particular physical part में improvement करना, तो we have to make the particular group, those are suffering from any kind of cognitive disability, so we have to perform particular selected activity to that particular group. And after the performing the activities, we can observe the problem. Actually they can perform well, because if we can make the particular plan and then they will be performed, so obviously we can observe improvement, हमें उसमें improvement मिलेगा देखने के लिए, because they can take the interest on the particular activity. और अगर यही ग्रुप हम नॉर्मल के साथ कर देंगे तो ऐसे वाले बच्चे नॉर्मल के साथ बीट नहीं कर सकते, कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं कर सकते, अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर सकते, और ये अपने आप में कहीं ना कहीं उनके लिए एक लो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस भी हो सकता है और वीकनेस हो सकता है. एंड दे फील लो कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दे फील कंपेयर विद द नॉर्मल्स, उनके साथ वो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. अनदर पॉइंट, mental improvement. Physical improvement already we have discussed with the help of running, jumping, throwing, catching, making the coordination, strength, endurance, all these topics. But if we can discuss about the mental part, then mental part we can work with the confidence, we can work with the mood of student, we can work with the interest of student, and then we can increase the improvement the mental function also. If we are working with the cognitive any kind of disabled kid, and if we cannot understand the interest of the student, then we cannot improve in the mental situation. बच्चे को फुटबॉल खेलना है और हम उसको स्विमिंग कराएं, then how he can take the interest in particular activity? तो we have to go for the mental status कि बच्चा actually करना क्या चाहता है. Now come to the next point, self-esteem. Self-esteem, this is also very important. Those students take physical part in activities and beneficial, and this is very beneficial and very important for the special kids also, because they have need to develop the mental ability, physical ability, as well as they have to develop the senses of self-esteem, self-confidence. And with this image we can work with these type of group, and we have to plan the particular activities according to need, that is the special children or special players, those are suffering from that type of disorder. And this is very important to enhance the confidence and law of self-esteem. Another point, reduce anxiety. Anxiety, stress, because these people already they know the ability of the body, and sometimes they can compare ourselves with the normal kids. That's why they feel anxiety as well as stress, depression, tension, because they feel some hindrance in body. That's why they feel low confidence also. We must be plan some activities to reduce the stress and tension of special children's. And this is the very important program for these type of kids. Now improved social class. Whatever the social circle, we must be improved. We must be improve our thoughts, our thinking about the special children. Sometimes people tease, okay, he or she suffering from so and so disorder. This is very ridiculous and wrong behave with that particular children, special children especially. So we have to improve our thoughts, our thinking about these type of children. Then we can develop the confidence, develop the mental ability in those particular group. And some more points also there. We can improve the environment, surrounding environment, and automatically we can enhance the physical health of a particular group, for particular special children, with this help of the to improving the emotional touch. We can develop our group, our circle about this particular and one more very important topic, that is the reduce the risk of health, because sometimes those suffering from this type of anxiety and problem, health problem, yeah, they are suffering from any kind of disorder, they automatically goes to the high depression, anxiety, stress, high BP and diabetes, this kind of lifestyle disease, because they are not satisfied our body functions. That's why they can feel weakness, they can feel low self-esteem and low confidence in our body. That's why they can go to the any kind of illness and any kind of risk of heart problem. So we must be understand this thing. And last point, this is the another point, strategy make to physical activities easy. How? It's make the physical activities easy. Yani those students, those people suffering from any kind of disorder, yeah, they can suffering from any kind of disability, and how we can make the physical activities easy for that particular group. That is the first point. Medical checkup, because we must be know what is the strength of the particular person, and how much strength they have, how much flexibility they have, and how much stamina they have. And if they are suffering from any kind of disease, so we must be know, and we must be aware about the strength. Another point, physical activity must be based on interest, of children. whatever type of physical activity we have to plan, but according to base of interest. What is the interest of the children? According to base of interest, we have to plan and execute. This is very important because we are talking about the easy activity कि how we can make the easy. जब हम बच्चे के इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से काम करते हैं तो वो एक्टिविटी ऑटोमेटिकली उसके लिए इजी हो जाती है. Equipment. According to requirement of particular group, we have to design the equipment, we have to plan the equipment कि what type of equipment then particular group have required, उसी equipment से हम उनको अप्लाई. Suppose we have the small group of the children, हमारे पास बहुत छोटे बच्चों का ग्रुप है, एंड इफ़ वी कैन गिव द सीनियर काइंड ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, बड़े बच्चों का इक्विपमेंट छोटे बच्चों को दें, तो हाउ दे कैन प्ले, हाउ दे कैन जनरेट द इंटरेस्ट एंड हाउ दे कैन प्रोड्यूस द रिजल्ट. बिकॉज वो इक्विपमेंट उन बच्चों के लायक ही नहीं है, छोटे बच्चों का नहीं है, इसलिए उनका इंटरेस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें लेगा नहीं, कम हो जाएगा. या वी हैव टू प्लान द एक्टिविटी. Specific environment. We must be provide a specific environment according to requirement of the group. If the people have any kind of problem, yeah, according to capability of the children, they are the special, so we have to provide the particular environment. Suppose we have the any group that is the related to problem, any kind of visual problem, like उनको दिखने की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड दी लाइटिंग टाइप ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट, यानी डे टाइम का हो, जो विजुअल हो उनके लिए, मेकिंग गुड इन्वायरमेंट फॉर द such particular group, and that is the very relaxed or comfortable, and they can enjoy the activity according to particular group. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो उस इन्वायरमेंट में खेल सकते हैं. एंड सपोज वी हैव द स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, देन दे कैन नॉट बी interested if they will be play in sunny weather, so we have to give the comfortable and relaxed environment to them. A variety plan. This is very important. Whatever we are going to prepare for particular group, we must be prepare the program of variety. If we are to repeat the same activity in every day in the same manner, then students automatically will be fed up and they don't have the interest, they cannot show the interest in particular activity. So we have provide different kind of variety type of programs to the particular group, and they must be showing the interest, because you are not repeat the same activity in a everyday basis. So this is very important. Rules should be modified according to group, according to age, according to gender and according to strength of particular group. We must be modified the rules. We cannot apply the same rule for each and every group. So according to requirement of the group, we have to change the rules and make the activity easy or interesting. previous experience. This is very important whenever we are talking about any group, about any kind of activities. Yeah, we are talking about any kind of activity in deeply with the any students. So we must be give some space to the previous experience. Whatever the children sharing the previous experience, we must be give some regards. Then you have to listen very patiently what he want to say. This is very important because उसको जो भी आता है, जो उसने पीछे सीखा है, उसको बहुत आराम से सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And if we cannot listen the children, and if we can create any problem to expressing the words, then he cannot take the interest in the activity. He cannot make the activity interesting because उसका confidence लो पहले ही हो चुका है उस situation में, हैं. उसका जो भी previous experience रहा है, हमने उसको deny किया, उसको regards नहीं दिए, उसको नहीं सुना, then he can lose the confidence. That's why, and with the help of all these points, if we can follow in a proper manner, then we can make the activity easy and effective, and its activity apply to all age type of group, as well as it's very helpful for the special type of children's. So these points very important for the activity making easy, effective in a physical ground as well as the in personal ground also.